Welcome to the General Installation Guide for Flare Fireplaces. In the next few moments, you'll discover what makes our fireplaces not only a modern addition to any home, but also easy to install as we walk through the simple steps included in this video. In addition to these instructions, you may want to follow along using your copy of the installation guide included with your Flare Fireplace, or with the digital guide that can be easily accessed at fireplaces.com/install manual. Let's get started. First, make sure to have someone on hand to help. We recommend that installation be performed by at least 2 people. Then, make sure to have the following tools available for installation: a crowbar, a power drill with a Phillips head screwdriver attachment drill bit, a bungee cord, a level, painter's tape, and 2 suction cups. For fireplaces longer than 60 inches, you may need 2 people to install the glass. Now that your tools are assembled, check the serial number on the fireplace crate and verify that the unit's serial sticker matches the fireplace size and style ordered. Once you've confirmed that you've received the correct shipment, check the fireplace crate for separately shipped accessories, such as the power vent, summer kit, and media for damage. If damage exists, notify Flare Fireplaces immediately by calling 1-866-639-1590. Next, with a power drill, unscrew and remove the side and top panels of the fireplace crate. Make sure to leave the protective plastic wrap in place. Keep in mind, it's important to reference your packing slip on the top panel of the fireplace crate to ensure you've received all the necessary components for installation. Components such as the power vent and summer kit are shipped separately, and sometimes the media, depending on the quantity ordered. Now, remove separately packaged components, including media, from the fireplace crate, and set these aside in a secure location. Find the wooden cradle holding the glass panels and remove the 4 screws securing it to the crate frame. Be careful that the glass cradle does not tilt as the screws are removed. Carefully take the cradle and set it aside in a safe location. Dropping or roughly handling the crate can damage the glass. With a crowbar, pry off and remove the vertical legs of the outer frame attached to the pedestal. Make sure to verify that your valve is still wrapped up and protected from debris. If this is not done, contamination of the valve may cause permanent damage to the component. Finally, you'll find the valve and receiver components mounted on a metal plate. The bottom of the plate is where you can find the serial number for your Flare Fireplace. Make sure to bungee the valve and receiver to the top of the unit so that it doesn't drag on the floor, and be careful not to pull on the valve components. Next, be sure to verify that all the framing and clearances have been met, including the required heat release and, if double glass, air intake. Be sure to reference the Flare installation manual for specifics on clearances and proper heat release, and, if necessary, air intake sizing. Now, you're ready to put your Flare Fireplace into position. First, with a fellow installer, lift the fireplace into position and remove the protective plastic wrap. Keep in mind, Flare Fireplaces include telescopic legs with threaded feet to simplify height adjustment during installation. This also reduces the need to build a separate support structure, saving you valuable time. Allowing for height adjustments in 1-inch increments, the legs can be configured so that the bottom of the fireplace opening may be between 10 and 19 inches above the floor. This means the bottom of the fireplace will be a corresponding 4 to 13 inches above the floor. Depending on your design plans, you may use the leveling feet to reach the height that works for you, while compensating for any minor height irregularities. It's important to note that installing the Flare Fireplace without these legs is a fire hazard due to the lack of airflow this presents, and it may damage the frame and glass of the fireplace. If your Flare Fireplace is front-facing or see-through, use the following procedure to adjust the height. First, lean the fireplace back to access the legs for adjustment, and then remove the 2 screws. Once completed, remove the adjustment pin and set legs to the proper height. Then, reinsert the safety pin for alignment and tighten down the bolts on the legs. Do this for all 4 legs and use the wrench to fine-tune the feet so the fireplace is stable and level. Do not use the feet for large adjustments greater than 3 inches, as this will cause the fireplace to become unstable. If your Flare Fireplace is a corner unit, please find the leg adjustment video found on fireplaces.com/videos. Next, attach the fireplace top brackets to the metal stud in the back to secure the fireplace. The bracket length can be adjusted by releasing the top screws. Now that the legs have been adjusted to the proper position, stretch the Flare 50-inch umbilical cord to where you have installed your gas and electric. Then, unpack the accessories, including the remote, power adapter, and wall switch. The gas valve, receiver, and control module, which is only for double glass units, will remain wrapped until the first test of the unit. Cut open the bag and assemble the accessories as needed. You are now ready for the final steps to complete and fully activate your Flare fireplace. First, attach the following components, making sure to test each one before the installation can be completed. Wall switch components, DG components, PV components, SK components, Wi-Fi components. Next, measure the screen or opening size on the top crate panel and insert the crate cutout into the fireplace opening, using painter's tape to secure it. Make sure to store the glass cradle and any other components you don't use in a separate location. Next, using the Flare venting chart, verify your vent pipe is supported, then complete the venting install. Finally, before firing up your Flare fireplace, remove the wood panel used to protect the inside of the fireplace. Then, using the suction cups, install the inner layer of ceramic glass. Reference the Flare fireplace installation manual for securing your glass into position. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the Flare fireplace installation. By following these simple steps, this unit is now ready for everyday use. With this elegant, modern design, the joys of luxury living are creatively combined with high-end innovation, adding extra flair to any home. If you have additional installation questions or comments, please contact us at 1-866-639-1590. We hope you enjoyed using this general installation guide for Flare fireplaces.